good. The DJI Spark delivers a tiny, lightweight design, excellent mechanically stabilized camera, USB charging and advanced features like gesture controls and obstacle detection. It travels well and is great for aerial photos and video. The bad flight time can be as short as 10 to 14 minutes. The app can be frustrating to use, especially on smaller screens. And you should expect to buy batteries and possibly the optional controller. The bottom line: the DJI Spark delivers all of the camera drone features most people will ever need in an impossibly small package. You know how Apple sometimes seems to be behind its competition in performance, design or features, only to eventually leapfrog them and take the lead? That's what DJI did with the Spark. While the company was concentrating on making higher-end camera drones for prosumers and professionals, other drone makers, established and start-up, were creating highly portable drones for people who wanted cool aerial selfies, aka drones, without having to be an expert pilot. DJI's $999 Mavic Pro seemed as close as the company would get to the category, with its compact folding design and intelligent subject tracking that let you capture selfies with a hand gesture. But then the Spark arrived in May and pretty much made everyone forget about all of the selfie drones that came before it. It offers many of the Mavic's same features and a body that's roughly the size of a soda can. The Spark is aimed at the drone crowd, but shares tech from the Mavic such as obstacle detection, dual-band GPS and a visual positioning system that lets it hover in place up to 98 feet, 30 meters, above the ground, indoors or outside. Also, while the competition relies on electronic image stabilization alone, DJI put the Spark's full HD video camera on a 2-axis motorized gimbal for smooth results without sacrificing image quality. And DJI took its gesture controls to the next level with the drone, too. Priced at $499 in the US, $859 Australian dollars in Australia and £519 in the UK, you don't get much more than the drone and a single battery. For $699, £1,199 Australian dollars, £699, DJI bundles the Spark, extra props and a set of prop guards, 2 batteries and a charging hub for refreshing 3